When it comes to deploying and managing backup for users and their devices, the Carbonite Endpoint Protection Management Console gives you complete control. From the console, you can control when files get backed up, what type of files you want to back up, and if you want to enforce a quota on how much backup data is stored on the endpoint. Editing a policy is very easy, and you can apply policies to a single user, a group of users, or the entire organization. For example, to activate Device Trace, simply select the Edit link for Device Trace On/Off. Choose the Enable option and press OK. With the policy for Device Trace set to On, you can easily track the location of a device anywhere in the world. As more and more users travel with their devices, companies want to know as soon as possible where their employees are and if critical data is at risk in an emergency. The Carbonite Endpoint Protection Device Tracker gives you very accurate location data. One of the most important features an administrator will want to use in the console is the Restore feature. Using the Restore feature, an administrator can execute a restore on behalf of any user, regardless of location. This includes restoring a single file that was accidentally deleted, or recovering all the files on an endpoint because the device was lost or because the employee upgraded to a new machine. Under the Restore tab, there's a search box you can use to find files by keyword. Once you find the file you're looking for, click on Restore Selection. Next, you can choose to restore an older version of the file or the most recent one. You can choose where you want to restore the file and what device you want to restore the file to. You can put it on a file server, on a different machine, or you can simply restore it to the original location. That's how easy administrative functions are in the Carbonite Endpoint Protection Management Console.